problems based on rate of interest. So let us see some questions based on the rate of interest in various types. In this problem, A invests 8,000 and B invests 11,000 at the same rate of interest per annum. If at the end of the 3 years, B gets 720 more interest than A, find the rate of interest. At the end of 3 years, no, time period is 3 years. After 3 years, B gets 720 rupees more. So we have to find out the interest individually. If you calculate the individually, then we can calculate this value, right? First, A invest, like for A and for B. Do calculations separately, get clear idea in this. Okay, A invest rupees 8,000. So P value for A is rupees 8,000 and P value for the B is rupees 11,000, right? And same rate of interest for both. Then in this case, end of the 3 years. So time period is 3 years here. Is also same time. So 3 years. Right. Now let us apply these values. So we know that interest formula. So I is equals to P R T by 100. Okay, same formula. I is equals to P into R into T by 100. Substitute the values here. P is 8,000 into R. R is asterisk. Time is 3 by 100. Here is 11,000. Rate of interest is R. Time for 3 by 100. Simplify this both cases. 100 times 80 is 100 times 110, right? Then finally this is 80 into 3. So 240 into R. 240 R. Let be equation 1 for interest. In this 110 into 3. So 330. 330 R. This is in case for B. If you see the line, B gets 720 rupees more interest than A. So B is getting more, 720. That means difference between B and A interest is 720 rupees. Right? That we can take the now. Because B got 720 rupees more. Therefore, 330R minus 240R is exactly equal to 720 because B is getting more, 720. From B, A interest if we subtract, that should be equal to 720 because equation 2 minus equation 1 is exactly equal to 720 difference. 330R minus 240R is 90R. It's equal to 720. Then R is equals to 720 by 90. 0 cancel. 9 times 8. So 8% is the rate of interest. Right? 8%. So this is the way we can solve. First find out separately, then calculate. One more sum I'll show you. Alternate method I'll explain for this question. Just I wrote already here. A sum of money lent on simple interest becomes 7 by of itself in 4 years. So find the rate of interest. These cases in alternative method, let sum that is equals to P. Let be rupees 100. 100 you can take. Then amount becomes 7 by 5 of itself. Right? Then amount is equals to 7 by 5 times of itself. That is of 100. So 5 times 20. 7 into 20. So 140. Amount became 140 rupees. If the principal is 100, then amount is 140. Always take for 100. Then amount is 140 got. Based on this, interest is equals to A minus P. Then 140 minus 100. That is rupees 40. Okay, in this case, if the P is 100, then A becomes 140, then interest is 40 rupees. Right. So let us go for the problem. Find the rate of interest. Calculate the rate of interest. So rate percent is equals to 100 into I formula. 100 into I by P into T. Now 100 into interest is 40 by P. principal. It took 100, right? And time is given for 4 years. You can calculate this rate, you get 100 cancel, 4 times 1, 4 times 10. So finally 10% is the rate percent. So you can assume as rupees 100 and solve. Algebraic method means we can assume like rupees x and we can solve it. Okay, both are the similar method, which is a convenient that you can follow and do it, right? And you can see the links in description below about the other chapters. And those are watching the first time, you can subscribe to our channel and continue the series in order. Chapter wise I'm showing here. Continue the series in order to learn everything.